The world has become increasingly connected, with more experiences, more ideas, and more opportunities at our fingertips and our doorsteps. But as we grow more connected, are the existing ways still working? Is there a better way? More importantly, how do you make the most of all the possibilities that are waiting just outside your door? In a rapidly evolving world, how do you gain a competitive advantage and not let opportunity pass you by? SAIT's Bachelor of Business Administration program gives you that competitive advantage and puts it to work for not just you, but the people, things, and causes you care about most. Choose a specialization and then take it into a career that inspires you. Help local businesses thrive, giving them a digital and global presence by developing a game-changing business plan. Cultivate change within existing organizations, creating better environments for employees and better business practices that save money and encourage sustainability. Or be at the forefront of innovation and new business. As circumstances change, they impact how we work and how we live, and help bring bold new ideas to life. Seize opportunities no one else sees, turning your side hustle into an empire. All of this comes from choosing SAIT. Recognized by CEOWorld Magazine as one of the best business schools in the world, you'll gain an education from industry experts who combine their real-world experience with supportive, high-caliber instruction that will empower you to keep raising the bar. Benefit from work-integrated training that provides hands-on, practical experience, as well as networking opportunities from our industry connections. Start opening doors and build your career before you've even graduated. The world needs leaders. The world needs innovators. The world needs entrepreneurs. The world needs you at SAIT. Learn more at sait.ca.